Damn, I'm good. I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch.
You're gonna kick my ass? First, you sound like you have a fucking cock in your mouth. Take it out and speak correctly. And second, you sound like a fucking child monster, so don't mess with me back, bitch.
Damn, you're ugly. You're an inspiration for birth control.
An inspiration for birth control. Well, after your mom had you and saw what you look like, your mom wished you would have been on birth control.
I'll rip your head off and shit down your neck.
You'll shit down my neck? Maybe you don't understand. That sounds extremely disgusting and uncomfortable for both of us.
Don't get your panties all in a bunch.
Shut your faggot ass mouth up. Don't you ever fucking tell me what to do.
I ought to break a broom handle off in your ass.
Sounds yummy, just like that shit down my neck.
You're pissing me off. I'll rip your head off and shit down your neck.
You're really gonna rip my fucking head off, man. Why don't you go fuck yourself, noob?
I'll rip your head off and shit down your neck.
Seriously, how old are you? Like 12, 13? Seriously.
I'll rip your head off and shit down your neck.
Let's play 1v1, bitch. We'll fuck you up at this game, bro. Let's do it.
I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch.
Okay, well, that sounds painful.
I'll rip your head off and shit down your neck.
Yeah, right, dick mouth, dude. I'll fucking shove my dick so far down your throat, you'll be fucking deep throating that shit all day, dude. Fucking rip the shit out of your little vagina.
I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch.
You go ahead and do that, you little 13-year-old. Seriously. You're a fucking moron. Moron! You are a waste of human life. Go find the nearest cliff and plunge off of it head first.
You're gonna die for that.
Oh my gosh, it's the computer. You're doing like the narrator on the computer, aren't you? That's what that is. At first I thought it was like a doll, but I was like, what kind of doll would say shit like that? So it's gotta be the narrator on the computer.